for the math project. So I gathered 4 items from my pantry. I got a coconut milk, I got a olive oil, I got what is the name of the salt? Almost forgot. And evaporated milk. So the next thing you have to do is just grab a piece of paper. Maybe you can cut it like this, a white one, and assign a price. Don't make a price like it's close enough to the price. You can ask your mom about prices. For example, the milk, I bought it at Aldi's at $1.64. So I got place here $1.64. And then I also bought in Aldi's the olive oil, and that cost me around $2.99, I believe. So I'm gonna place here $2.99. Then the salt cost me around 40 cents. So I'm gonna put here $0.40. And the milk, I think, if I'm not mistaken, I paid 65 cents for that milk. So I'm gonna place here 65 cents, $0.65. Now that I place the price, you're gonna grab another piece of paper and you're gonna write this. Because one of the instructions says that you have to add the items and then you're going to subtract from $10. So if you add the items, it doesn't matter how you add it. You can add 2 at a time or you can add 4 at a time. Now, if you want, you can do 2 at a time. So I'm going to start with the decimal place and 164. And then I'm going to add the $2.99 here. And then I'm going to do the 40 cents and the 65 cents. Decimal, 0 and 40 cents and 0 and 65 cents. And then I'm going to add whatever goes here and here. I'm going to add it again to give me the price, okay, the total price. So I'm going to add 9 plus 4 is 13, 3 down, 1 up. 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 1 is 16. Decimal, please don't forget about the decimal. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So $4.63 for those 2 items, and then I'm going to do the other 2 items. So decimals first. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 down, 1 up. And 1 goes down because 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. So I got $4.63 and 105. So now I'm going to add these 2 together. So that means decimal and decimal, 4.63 plus $1.05, and that will give me the total price. This is 8. Oopsie, that 8. 6 and 5. So the total cost for the items was $5.68. Now that I have the total, this is the total, I'm going to subtract the total from $10. So remember that subtraction, you have to start with the biggest number. So the biggest number is $10. So I'm going to start with decimal, $10. And then I'm going to subtract 568. So 568 subtract. Now, if you notice, I cannot subtract 0 minus 8. I have to go to my neighbor. But what happened with this neighbor? Neighbor, you can help me? No, let me go to the next neighbor. But the next neighbor say, no, I have to go to the next neighbor to help you. So this neighbor say, yes. This neighbor now is 10. Now, can this 10 help the 0? Yes. Now this neighbor is 9. This is 10. Now this neighbor can help this neighbor? Yes. Now this is 9, and now this one is 10. Now that we assign the numbers, now we're ready to subtract. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. Decimal, 9 minus 5 is 4. And 0, I don't have that. So that means that I have left, or my change is, $4.32. Now I'm done. So the only thing you have to do now is just take a picture of your work. Thank you for listening.